Hello everyone, here is Decrypt made in China and I'm Xiaowen. Our goal is to open a window to everyone to know what is real made in China. Today what we got is a building block robot from Moleskine. This one. And the price is $39.9 US, very low among the same type products. But the quality is super good. We found when we tested this one. And they have many different kinds. What's in my hand, this one is a cruller robot. And the design is a bit like the futuristic style. Okay, let's open it first. This one is the installation menu, operating instructions, and the device in 7 different packages. I think it's according to different part of the robots, right? Okay, let's focus on these brakes. Look at this small part. The manufacturer told us that they have established a unified system to manufacture all the brakes. That's to say, no matter which product it is, their parts can be replaced with each other. And they can also innovate according to their own ideas. The materials used for brakes is an exclusive formula, which is non-toxic, harmless, and well resistant with high gloss. And they use CNC to produce the brakes. That can make the error of each piece's size and color is controlled in a very small range, you see? And it is almost negligible. Each of them can fit perfectly, like this. Now let's start to build it. After an hour of hard work, I have completed this robot. When my teammates they tasted this one, they say it's simple, but for me I can only say it's not too difficult if you follow the step in the menu. And the power module and the control module and a lithium battery inside, the battery can continuously work for half an hour and stand by for 240 days. There are 2 ways to control this one. The first one is to use the built-in 2.4G model remote control handle. And the other way is to use the mobile application. Let's try it first. We have tested the control distance. Indoor it can reach about 18 meters and the power is super strong. But there is still a little delay and the precision control is not very accurate. For example, if I only want him to move forward a little bit, but it still takes a big step. And here is a new way to play it in the app. You can use a very simple programming language to control it, and it will follow your set route. This is super good for children to be curious and interested in the programming. After we tasted it, we think the Moleskine is a very competitive company, and the building blocks they produce are all made of high-quality materials and new technology. In short, it's worth looking forward to. If you want to know more about this robot, you can find a link in the description down this video. And if you are interested in the tech products, you can subscribe our channel and see you next time.